I'm Cheryl Stager. I live in Bowmanville, Ontario, Canada, and I am the co-owner and co-founder of Sugarbird Cakery and Floral Co., along with my mom. We specialize in custom cakes, wedding cakes, event cakes, decorated sugar cookies, dessert tables, baked goods, that kind of thing. One thing I really love sharing is tips and tricks on how to create easy fun decorations for cake decorating, cupcake toppers, how to kind of start with the basics of cake decorating. I kind of grew up baking with my grandma and my mom, and so that's kind of where I learned all of my early skills in baking was from them. My mom and I started our baking business about 10 to 15 years ago. It started just making cakes and cookies and stuff for friends and family events, and we kind of started bringing on clients and started making wedding cakes and that kind of thing, and it just kind of evolved from there. I love being able to teach my skills online on social media. Just quick little videos that kind of give you some hints and beginner tricks for starting out in cake decorating. If you've never done it before, I have some really easy tutorials that you can follow and a few more advanced ones as well. I work in a hospital full-time as a data analyst, so my baking business has really given me a chance to kind of release my creativity and try things that I otherwise really wouldn't be able to do in my full-time job. So this side business has definitely allowed me to kind of explore that creative side of myself. A lot of my inspiration really comes from just things that I see in the day-to-day life. Especially around Halloween and the holidays, I love being able to kind of create spooky things and things that allow me to kind of really get creative with the holiday. Thank you for kind of listening to a super quick snapshot of my baking journey, and I hope you check out my page for some easy tips and tricks.